All right, we're going to work on our inflectional endings. Our endings are ed and ing. Ed means it happened in the past. The past. Ing means it's happening now, in the present. When you add these endings to words, some of the words when they end, well, let me read the instructions. It says when you add ed, ing to the end of a word that ends in a vowel and a consonant, double that last consonant. So look at number 1. We're going to add ed to the first 4 words right here. So the word is tag. When we add ed to the end of this word, since it has a vowel and a consonant, we're going to double the consonant, which is G, the ending, and add ed. Now look how big I'm writing. Make sure you write so it fits in the place, the space that you have for your word. Try not to write too big or you're going to be all over the place. So if I double my last one, I'm going to just put a little line under all the last letters in we know we have to double these. So stop. That's a vowel and a consonant. So if I add an ed, I'm going to double my p's. Perfect. Stopped. Pause the video if you need to. Then we have grab. Grab. Grabbed. I grabbed the ball. Next you have slam. Slam. Double that last one. Sla. 2 M's. E-D. Slammed. I slammed the door. Now the same rule will apply when you're adding ing to a word. And ing means it's happening right now. I was hugging my mom. Hug. I'm going to double that G. Hugging. Lots of letters in the basement there, okay? Hugging. And I want you to stop right here, and I want you to finish the last 3. And now remember, you're going to double that last letter and add ing to it. Go ahead and pause the video and then come back to me and check your work and see if you did it right. All right, if you came back and you paused, you can check your work and see if you got it right. I made a little mistake here. I got a little quick and I started to write my ed, but we're writing ing on these words. So double check, see if you got it right. If you did everything right, give yourself a little smiley face. Great job. Now this last one, you're just going to write a sentence using one of these words above here. Okay, I want you to come up with your own sentence. Okay, I'm going to use one of these words and one of our red words. Okay, I'm going to write, I was skipping around. Skipping is our word, and around is our red word. You can make any sentence you want using any of these words up here. All right, great job, first grade. Way to work hard.